An important thing to remember with story questions is that the math that we do in school for just a normal blank equation might not always overlap. So what we're asked here is we need 50 dinner rolls. 50 dinner rolls are needed. Dinner rolls are sold in packages of 12. So what is the minimum number of packages that should be bought for the party? So most people here I think are going to go to division. How many times does 12 go into 50? So I'm going to just use my calculator. We get 50 divided by 12 is 4.167, right? So if we follow the normal rules of math, we have a 1 after the decimal, which means that this doesn't round. So that would stay as a 4, right? It would just be 4 packages. But that's missing the point. The story says we are having a party. So if you only bought 4 packages of 12, that's only 48 rolls. 2 people are not going to have rolls. That's not good. So what we need to make sure we do is accommodate the math to reflect the thing being asked in the story. So 4 packages will get us close. And yes, if we buy 5 packages, 5 times 12, 12 times 5 is 60. So we're going to have 10 extra rolls. Maybe that seems like a lot, but that's what we were instructed to do. So instead of rounding the 4 or 4.1 down to a 4, which is what normal rounding rules would make us do, we end up actually rounding this up to a 5. And that's because the story means we need to have enough rolls for everybody. So there you go. So just remember that one of the downsides of algebra is that sometimes it blinds us to reality, right? Math exists in 2 worlds. There's this kind of theoretical, abstract world of algebra, but then we also need to bring that into the real world where we're given certain situations and certain problems to solve. So just, especially with rounding, make sure you're paying attention to what's being asked of you, because sometimes the rules of rounding tell us to go one way, but the question's rules tell us to go a different way.